Hi guys, in front of me is Amazon Fire HD, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select display, and now click on wallpaper. And here you've got the options that you can use. You can also pick a photo of your own. To reach your own gallery, just click here, but as you can see I don't have a lot of stuff here. And then I will just pick one from the default wallpapers. For example, this one. Now just click on set to apply the particular picture, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen, and then you can change it whenever you wish. So that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.